Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sasha and welcome back to the part 2 of Let's Learn AutoCAD with me. Today in this video we are going to discuss about Graphic User Interface GUI. So to begin with, first of all let us open the AutoCAD 2026 version. So what is Graphic User Interface? So to understand that, first let us open a new file. This is to open the existing file. From here, let's open the new file. Yeah. The whole screen you are able to see now. So the total interface on the screen is called the Graphic User Interface. Now let us understand each part of the Graphic User Interface. Let us see what is it called, what are the uses of it, and how does it work. So let's begin with Application Menu Bar. So here you can see the icon of AutoCAD, right? A. So this is the application menu bar. From here we can start a new file. We can save the file. So here we can start a new file. We can save the file. Save our file as our wish. We can give it name as required. And then from these two options, as we discussed in the previous video, we can import and export the files from this application to another application, as well as from the device. So this is the publish option, from which we can archive the files, we can send to 3D print service, we can e-transmit it, and we can change it into other format. So from this print option, we can plot our files, by which the file is converted into PDF format. And also we can convert that into another format. So here is the drawing utilities. So this is the application menu bar. So this application menu bar is situated at the top left corner on this interface. So on the screen, whatever you are able to see, the application menu bar is visible at the top left corner. So beside that, right beside that, we will have this one, the highlighted part. We will have quick access toolbar, from where we can access our tools in a quick way. So this is the option to open the new file, which creates a blank drawing file, and then this is to open an existing drawing file that may be in your AutoCAD, or that may be from your existing files from your file explorer. And this is the save option. You can save the current drawing. This is the save as option, using which you can save your document with a required name. And so this is the option from where you can open the existing drawing from AutoCAD or from your mobile, that is other devices, any other devices. So this is the option to save your current drawing to the AutoCAD or to mobile. You can directly save it to the another device using this option. And this is the plot option. So this option prints the drawing to a plotter or printer, directly to a printer, or you can make it into the PDF. So this is the undo option, as we have in many applications other than AutoCAD, like the action you have done, like drawing a line. So let us see how it works. select the line command here from the ribbon. So let us also discuss what is ribbon in the further minutes of this video. So I have drawn some lines like this. So I want to undo this line, only this previous line. So you can just click this option. So I'll start again. So you can select the line command from here, from the ribbon. So this is we draw something randomly I'm drawing. So you just want to undo it. So then you can use this option to undo your diagram. So when you select a line and draw all the parts of your drawing at a time, then when you use undo option to erase it, the entire drawing will be erased. So this is the main thing we have to remember while drawing. And this is the redo. So by mistakenly, if you undo your drawings, you can just redo it and check whatever is happening. So now, here is the customize quick access toolbar. So this is the option from where you can customize your quick access toolbar. See, this is your this is your application menu bar, right? This is your application menu bar, right? These are the options which you can use. So if you want to customize this quick access toolbar, you can interchange any of these options with these options here using this option. So from here you can customize your quick access toolbar. So for example, here is the save option, save as option. So here is the option to move your files from AutoCAD to your mobile or something else. But you are not using these two options at present regularly. But you are using the plot option. See, from print you are using this plot option regularly while doing a project, right? So it is very time taking process to go to the application menu bar and always select the print and plot it, right? So that's why here you can exchange any of the options, that is tools, from the application menu bar, and you can just update it here at the quick access toolbar. So you can add batch plot. So here you can see the batch plot option, and you can remove it. So this is how it is removed, and you can also edit anything from here. Okay. Now let us understand about the workspace. So now let us understand about the workspace. What is workspace? In which we can switch in 2D and 3D. So here at the bottom right corner, you can see one of the setting option, workspace switching. So click on it. Now you will be able to see types of workspace. So there are mainly three types of workspace. That first one is drafting and annotation, and second one is 3D basic and 3D modeling. So generally we use drafting and annotation for the basic, and then we will use 3D basics and 3D modeling. As the name suggests, these both are used for 3D projects, 3D diagrams. Next, the title bar. Here comes the title bar, where we can see the software name and its version. Every software will have its own title bar. So like this, here we are able to see this software's title bar, that is Autodesk AutoCAD, which is the 2026 version. And here we can see the purpose of this AutoCAD is used for. And next we have the search bar. So here one thing we have to remember is, as we all know, we can use this AutoCAD without any internet connection. We can just practice, and also we can do drawings without any internet. But when we are here to search something, the internet connection should be good enough. So here, for example, just I am searching about the line command just to show you how is it working. Yeah, this is how the dialog box will be opened, and which guides us about the particular command we have searched. So this is all how it shows and how clearly it explains anything. So here you can use this option if you have any doubts. Next, we have the information bar, which can also be spelled as info bar. So this is the information bar or info bar, where we can log in our ID into AutoCAD desktop. So let us just explore what is this option. So this will lead to the YouTube channel of the AutoCAD, in which you will have a lot of videos guiding you to use the AutoCAD. Okay, I just explored it right now. So this is the help option, or you can download offline help. And here you can see the Autodesk Assistant option. I think these are all options which were updated in the 2026 version. Okay. So this is like an AI or a ChatGPT, which is a Autodesk Assistant, where you can ask you any type of doubts and that will give you a clear explanation. So I think this is not yet developed good enough. So maybe in future it will be developed and you can use it like your Autodesk ChatGPT. Okay. Now let us see what are the tabs. So as you can see here, the red box, this shows tabs. These are the tabs like Home tab, Insert tab, Annotate, Parametric, View, Manage, Output, Add-ins, Collaborate, Express Tools. So these are all tabs. So in tabs, you can see ribbons. So in Home tab, this is the whole ribbon you can see. And Insert tab, this is the ribbon you can see. Each tab has its separate ribbon. Okay. In each ribbon, there will be further divided sections called panels. So this is the draw panel, this is the modify panel, this is the annotation panel, layers, block, properties, groups, utilities, clipboard, view, from which you can access tools, commands, and whatever the options this AutoCAD is providing. So let's just summarize this small topic. This is the tab. From tab you can access the ribbon, and from the ribbon you can access the panels. These are the panels. Okay. So now let us understand about the viewport. So here the highlighted area shows the space which is used for making drawings. So this space which is used for making drawings is called the viewport. So in the viewport, here we can observe the grids which are perpendicular to each other. So and they also have equal distance. Let us stop this for today. I think the video has already been too long. So in the next video, let us discuss about the viewport, dates, UCI icon, WCS, visual control options, view cube, layout bar, command prompt bar, application status bar, navigation bar. And yes, that's it for today, guys. For today, you just open the software and just see whatever we have discussed today. Just explore every option that have been discussed in this video and try to use it. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching.